Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your digital asset management with Bynder detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current digital asset management system. Identify the pain points and limitations you face with your existing setup. Evaluate the specific features and functionalities you need in a new system. Research Bynder's capabilities to ensure they align with your requirements. Sign up for a trial version of Bynder to explore its interface and tools firsthand. Take time to familiarize yourself with Bynder's dashboard and navigation. Upload a selection of your digital assets into the platform. Organize these assets using Bynder's tagging and categorization features. Set up user roles and permissions according to your team's structure. Train your team on how to effectively use Bynder's features. Utilize Bynder's collaboration tools to streamline communication around asset usage. Incorporate Bynder's analytics tools to track asset performance and usage patterns. Regularly review the organization of your assets for optimal efficiency. Implement Bynder's integration capabilities with other software you use. Stay updated on new features and updates released by Bynder. Gather feedback from your team to continuously improve your asset management processes. Make adjustments and optimizations based on the feedback and analytics. With these steps, you can successfully upgrade your digital asset management using Bynder. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.